started Open Air Options in 2016 as a drone photography business. And in 2021, I watched probably way too many YouTube videos, bought some leather, and I bought some kits and some dyes, and I started right into it. I loved it and I was good at it. I only used natural veg tan leather. I used 2 to 3 ounce or 3-4 ounce for most of my wallets and cut the leather for what I want. I take the best quality of dye that I apply with an air sprayer that gives me consistency and fullness and that rich color that I'm looking for. I use a waxed tiger thread. I hand stitch everything. You just can't get that kind of quality when you're doing it on a machine. When you use the highest quality ingredients, you know things are going to last for a long time. It's important for me, coming from a law enforcement career, to make good quality things for other first responders.